Hello and welcome to my show. This is a drink called How to Make French Vanilla Cappuccino Raspberry. First thing you gotta do is, hang on a second. So open up this French Vanilla Cappuccino mix and do 2 spoons, and after that you close it. Then after that you pour in a little bit of water, maybe halfway, and then you stir it. Then after that you open up this raspberry bubbly and you pour it into the cup. And if it settles, and here is your French Vanilla Cappuccino Raspberry soda. By the way, it's carbonated and it's considered soda cappuccino. Thank you for watching, everyone, and enjoy this drink.